No, I mean like here. Beta 2 or something.
Well, let's just have double click on it.
On what?
On this one, yeah. And let's classify the beta 0 as the one that you want to multiply by. So let's do this times 26 times the E2.
Enter.
And drag it down. And let's change this one to 0.5 to make it a little more interesting.
0.5.
Okay. Right, now let's try to do a regression.
Okay. So X is B. No B.
No, it's both of them.
Huh?
It's both of them, both A and B.
Okay.
And Y is?
What is it now?
Just select the correct one. I think we moved it around so it doesn't.
E.
Okay. Okay, you got some weird numbers in there.
Yeah.
Okay, why is that?
Because X2 is just 1.
X2 is just 1, yeah, and you included intercept, okay? So the way you do it is the intercept is automatically a column just like X2. That's what this intercept does. Okay, so now you have two columns with exactly the same data, intercept and X2. Okay? Because everybody always wants a column like X2 in their regression. This takes the mean of the data away. Excel will automatically add this for you. Okay? As column named intercept. This is the same as calling it intercept instead of X2.
But why wasn't that before?
It was there before too, but you didn't add another intercept here. Now you're adding two columns with exactly the same data, X2 and intercept. Imagine like here you got another column named intercept. Right? Okay? So what you want to do is you want to tell Excel that, oh, now I have my own intercept, don't add an intercept for me. So doing data analysis. Regression. And say constant is 0. Next to labels. That means I have my own intercept. So in Perceptron algorithms you have to actually implement your own intercept.
Okay.
You know, Excel doesn't know how to do this for you, so that's okay. So now it works. You see? It just takes intercept off and X2 now is the same as intercept.
X2 is now what intercept was before.
Exactly. You get it?
Yeah, except that I'm confused. Why is this X1 and X2 now? Like, why is that the coefficients are called X1 and X2?
Because that's what my labels are, X1 and X2. X2 is the intercept part.
But so, okay, like when we're doing the regression...
The problem is it didn't give me a 0.5 yet. Oh, okay, because your E is not the 0 mean. So let's make, so I don't get a 0.5 here. Right? I get a 1. Okay? Because my error is not a 0 mean.
Okay.
Okay, so let's make the 0 mean. So let's say equals rand. And you can just do the norm S in, for example, add like normal error. Or you can do rand, open brackets, close brackets, minus 0.5. Because rand is a number between 0 and 1, right?
Okay.
So it has a mean of 0.5, so now we're adding that. A 0 mean error. Okay, now let's try to run the regression again. That's so good.
Is that right? A, B, and C.
Okay, so now I get the correct number out here. Yeah, and it's like one standard error from the true value. The true value was 0.5,
Okay.
and the error is 0.06, right? So the true value and the estimate differ by less than the standard error. Here the same thing. True value is 2, right? Standard error is 0.015. They differ by less than one standard error.
Okay.
Right? So good.
X1 was 2.
X1 was 2, yeah. Here. Okay, we got some random crap happening here. Okay, let's fix that. Okay. Now let's try to do the same thing with the classification.
Okay.
So, so y classified, right?
This.
Make this a little bit of a better formula. So, see, it's just function of x1 right now. x1 is 2.
Yeah. What's
Yeah.
the B?
Yeah,
What's the B?
that's this one here.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So add like plus, for example.
Where? Here.
And then do the x2 times the b0. Yeah, and f4 it.
Ow.
Okay, percentage. Drag it down. And now change like b1 to okay, we gotta guess now 2 columns. We gotta guess b1 and the b2.
Okay.
We can delete
Add
all.
one in here.
Yeah, we can delete these middle ones because this was just we were playing around with regression, right?
This and this and this.
Yeah, select from the top so you can delete the whole column. One more.
Delete it.
Okay.
Insert in here.
Just select one there.
Where is it? Like this.
Okay.
B2 guess.
Okay, and change b1 guess to a 0. Okay. And put b2 guess as a 0 too. Okay, and do the predicted y. Now here you gotta do 2 things actually. You have to first do the predicted y, and then that's the thing where I got confused. You gotta do the predicted y, and then you gotta do the sign of the predicted y, the step, right? Because that's perceptor error. You actually look at the you modify it in this algorithm. Okay, so basically use the y formula but don't have the if around it.
Okay. In here.
Yeah, copy the y formula.
Here, this thing.
Sure.
Copy this. And escape. And put it here.
Now get rid of this.
So this. And this.
Well, the one you have to leave in, unfortunately. Okay. And then you gotta be, well, what you need to do is you need to know whether this is different from 0 or less than 0, right? So you take one to the other side